Before start this topic, we require two things. One maths copy and another one your pen. That's it. So that you can note it down all the points. Okay, so let's start. Roman numeral. Acha, tell me one thing. When you are entering in your class, at the gate, some symbols is there that represent your class. What was the symbol? It's something like look like this. Class, this. What is this symbol? Anyone knows? Okay. When you will go in next class, over there also you will say it out. Class and this symbol. Again same thing. Which symbol is this? Yes, these two symbols are known as Roman numeral. Okay, you people know that a number we can write it out many types. Okay, first one is Hindu Arabic numeral, which we are learning from childhood. That is 1 2 3 4, the straight way, which you are learning from childhood. Okay, then the another one is in Hindi counting. In Hindi counting also we are writing like this way, 1 then 2. Okay, so this way we are writing our Hindi counting also, right? Good. And the third one is which we will learn today, that is our Roman numeral. How? These are the some symbols which we require to learn so that we can write it out our Roman numeral easily. Okay, so let's start learn how to write. Okay, so it's Hindu Arabic numeral which we learn from childhood. Okay, 1. How we will represent 1? 1 means one I. Okay, 5 means V. Good. 10 means X. Right. 50 means L. Very good. 100 means C. 500 means D. And 1000 means M. Good. This chart is very much required to learn the Roman numeral because this is completely basic. Okay. After this, we require to learn very important 3 rules of Roman numeral. That is what? The first rule is rule of repetition. In these symbols, some symbols are there which we can repeat, but some symbols are there which we cannot repeat. What symbols which we can repeat? That is I, X, C, M. These 4 symbols are there which we can repeat 3 times, not more than that. The last is 3 times only. Okay, I we can write it down like I. Okay, I. Okay, so in 3 times we can write it down I. Okay, 1 I represent 1, 2 I represent 2, and 3 I represent 3. Same way we can write X or X. Okay, 3 times we can read out, not more than 3 times, only 3 times. Okay, so 1x means 10, 2x means 20. Very good. 3x means 30. Very nice. Okay, but some symbols are there which we cannot repeat, which we require to write only and only 1 time. And what are that? That is B, L, D. These 3 symbols are there which we cannot repeat, which we can write only and only 1 time. We cannot write B or L because the reason behind it, one V means 5, another V means 5, and 5 means 10. But we are having the symbol of 10. You know na what is the symbol of 10? The symbol of 10 is X. So we cannot write V. Again same thing, why we cannot write L? The reason behind it, 50. You know that 50 plus 50 it is 100. So you know the symbol of 100. What is this? The symbol of 100 is C. So that's why we cannot write LL together. Okay, so here again we are repeating that VLD. These three symbols we cannot write twice or thrice. We can write these symbols only once. Now next rules is rule of addition. Okay, what is the rules of addition? Is just that greater symbols, whatever written before smaller symbol, then we will add both the symbols. Okay, so let's start. Let's say what is this? Like if I am writing x, you know that x is the symbol of 10, and then I. Okay, so I is a symbol of 1, so x is greater than I, that you people know. So that's why both the number we will add it up. How we will add it up? Just x represent 10 and I represent 1, so 10 plus 1 it become 11. Okay, so xi is the symbol of 11. Let's take another example, that is great. Okay, so xxv, how we will do? So one x represent 10, another x represent another 10, and v represent 5. Let's add it up all the numbers. It's 10 plus 10 plus 5, it's 25. It means x plus xxb, it means it's 25. Okay, so now the third rule is the rule of subtraction. And the rule of subtraction, that greater symbol after smaller symbol, then we subtract the number. Suppose like I is smaller than x, right? You people know I is smaller than x. Yani I means 1, x means 10. So as you can see, 1 is smaller than 10. So in this case we will subtract the number. Yes, 10 minus 1 it become 9. So ix is the symbol of 9. That's really good. Now next question, it's xl. Okay, so what is the meaning of xl? X represent 10 and L represent 50. Okay, so again we will do the subtraction. How? It's 50 minus 10, it will become 40. So xl represent 40. Very good. Now the second point is that V, L and D we cannot subtract. As I already told you over here that we cannot repeat V, L, D. Same way V, L, D we cannot subtract from any number. Means you cannot write V, X. You cannot write L, D. Okay, both the things is wrong. Got it? So these are the basic rules which is required to learn. Now let's do some questions. Okay, so what's the questions are there? Let's say it out. Like first question, that how we will write x 1 1 1. That you have to write it down in a Roman numeral. Okay, so Roman numeral. That's really good. Okay, so 1x, write it down over here. It's better to write it down over here again. Okay, 1x 10, another x is also 10, and this x also 10, right? And these 1 2 3 you can write it down together, it's 3. Okay, now add it up all the numbers. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3, it's become what? It's become 33. Okay, so x I, it's the symbol of 33. Okay, now let's do some more questions. Okay, so here we go. Take it out. X C. Oops, how we will write xc? You people know what is this, what we call C. C represent 100, right? And x represent 10. Now remember that rule of subtraction. Okay, so now 10 is smaller than 100. That's why we will subtract 100 10, and what we will get is 90. It means XC is the symbol of 90. Very good. Now the next question is, it's XLV. Oops, again same. How we will write this number? Just write it down first of all. Okay, how we will write? X means 10, L means 50, and V means 5. Oh. Again, just see it out. The first one. Remember again, rule of subtraction. Good. Again, 50 minus 10. Okay, let the 5 as it is. Okay, 50 minus 10. What we will get? It's 40. Right? We'll get 40. Right? Now remember, 40 again 5. It's become 45. So XLV is the symbol of 45. Good. Now here are some questions for homework that you can try at your home and answer all these questions in the comment box. And if you are having any type of query regarding this topic, you can ask in comment box. Okay, and again I am repeating, if you really like my video, please like my video, share to your friends. Thank you.